call before the Mexico match to see if someone here will stake a claim in these squads.
So have you seen anyone that cannot say anybody who has taken a claim?
Yeah, I think so. Did you see so?
Coach Adams, the system that it seems that you've been deploying for the past 3 games you've been trying, the 4-4-2 system, is that a system you're comfortable with? Is that a system that you're going to continue to play? Or do you plan to make adjustments as time goes on?
No, I don't favor any system. It's often good when you come first time to do a 4-4-2. It's easy to explain and then you work from that system, but I don't favor any system at all.
Is it likely that we might see an alteration come next week in the Azteca?
Could be. We are facing a good opponent, so we could for sure change the system.
Coach, how do you integrate the most experienced players with local players into our combinations matches?
In this group,
Yeah.
it's fairly young players coming from England. Yeah, so young players, so it's more or less for us to show their quality and what they can give, not only on this 90-minute matches, but also off the pitch. Their character and such. I was happy with all the squad. It was really, the camp in itself was really good. So they know now our working environment, and then they know what to expect next time they come, and us know what they can give in return. So fairly happy with this squad, with this camp. Sorry.
Coach, you mentioned players who would have staked their claim in the team. I don't expect you to give me the names, but is there any player or players who you would say that's it?
And no, for us, it's not that's it. He needs a little bit more time, maybe. So if it's a young player, we'll call him back in a year or see his progress or follow and monitor his progress. But there's no one that is punched out for sure. And we are just arrived. So we are not in that position to say something like that.
And what would be your advice to these players now?
Can I ask a question? I've talked something. Can you put what's the matter?
What would be your advice to these players now as we move forward?
No, we keep on. Now they know the good thing for them now. They know what we want. They know exactly what we want. So they can now work on the things, improve on the things that we want.
Pops, I noticed that throughout the game there were some issues with connecting passes and it seems that there needs to be some fluence in terms of communication. What do you say about players who are new in the team, just trying to get to know each other? Where are they and how much more time they need to be have that understanding so they can have the same?
We just said it there, it's just about, obviously the more everyone trains together, plays together, that comes naturally. They're good young players. So it's just about giving them time. There's so many teenagers on the pitch, and they've got real talent. I've seen them every day training. They're good kids as well. They want to learn. So yeah, just about giving them the time. These games for them will be brilliant. You saw the improvements from the first game to the second game as well. So just giving them time, and the more that they play together, those things will happen. It'll be a lot more fluent, and they'll be able to connect with each other on the pitch a lot better. But yeah, it's just about giving them the time.
Coach, I was paying attention to Omar tonight. You had him start on the left and then he switched to the right. Can you tell me about what was the planning there and what the thought process behind that?
Wasn't a deep thought. Last game we dribbled too much inside for both wings. We have 2 strikers and then we had 2 wings going inside. So we congested the central zone, so we like to have left-footed left, right, right. Because when we drop back, the spaces were there again. So they have the freedom to choose to switch, no problem for us, but they knew after the first game what mistakes we did in the build-up, and you could see today we used it a lot better, the flanks we used it a lot better today than in the last. So it's not like deep thinking behind it, just using the flanks better.
Coach, 2 more questions and I'll ask you one. Excuse my lack of patience, I'm an anxious fan, right? And there were the likes of Atkinson, Leicester, which I pronounce his last name, Hutchinson, Richards, Roberts, all teenagers, all wanting to get minutes this tour versus Trinidad. How many of these kids will we see against Mexico going forward, if you can divulge that information right now? Just curious and anxious.
So you want to score for Mexico?
You provided enough.
I think it's here. Now, of course, we will not talk about that. If I will do that, I will do that after analyzing all the matches. And for sure, the press conference for when we announce the squad, you will know. You can do 3 for maps. Yes, already almost unused.
Alright, so thanks for joining us now. Hold on and we'll go to the Trinidad.
Are we good?
Finish, yeah.
We're gonna leave.